Hey, how's everybody doing today on December 15th, 2025? I hope you had a great morning in the stock market. Looking at the ORB Scanner, it had a couple great hits this morning. My favorite one was CLMY that it hit, which was great. Another good one was AMCI as well. Those were actually some really good ones that I liked that I got into. So let's go ahead and jump over to the charts. So here's CLM or CLYM. Looking at this is great. It comes in. Not a whole lot of action actually in pre, but it opens up pretty strong. Comes in, dips down, and then you notice actually about almost 30 minutes after is when it actually really hits our orb entry. And then from there, it's actually just a really nice climb up there. And this one had a lot of potentials, a lot of places to get into without actually having to, hurry up and rush and get in. Because when you're making your plans and your entry, you don't want to click that market. You really want to use the stop buy limits. They really do help you. I know I forgot to use that last week on one of my trades that I did, and it got me in before my entry price, and it just went south from there. And that's why you always have a plan. You say, hey, this is what I want. You want to be executed at that mark. So looking at this one, I mean, has some great trends. You can see here, look at this morning. It just goes straight up, basically, which is just beautiful. Couple good entry points that we have as well. I mean, it pulls back down to the 21, and this is why I like to have the 21 on here, because sometimes it gives you a good thing. But you have your bulls right here, pulls down and it breaks back up. And right here, another good entry. You miss the orb at 330. And this happens repeatedly going throughout this. Like here's this one, goes up, 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 pulls back down, goes up, up, up. Here's your another entry point about right here. At 363 is actually a really good one as well. Where was that? Right here. So some great places, and then it kind of goes sideways, which is typical around lunchtime on the eastern coast, where it just kind of goes sideways. And at this point, I don't like to be in them, just because in most cases when I'm in these side channels, it seems like more often than not it just drops down. But this one actually took off again, and it goes straight up. What's that percentage gain right here? It's another 14%, another 15% on that, and then drops. And then as you can see, it pulls back down. This is also why you want to look at history. So I just drew this channel over here on the left, looking at these, and look, it's in that channel again. Now we'll see if it can hold that channel and break over that VWAP. So that would be really the question right there. But I think CLYM is probably actually done for the day. It's probably just going to kind of peter off a little bit. Maybe a takeoff into close, but that's about it. The other one, too, that I really liked this morning was AMCI. This one opened up really low. It opened up down here, 363, and it's currently sitting at $7. So even if you didn't get out at a good opportune point, I mean, if you would have hit your orb at 4, that's a $3 a share. Okay, so if you got 1,000 shares on this, then you'd be up about $300, which is just a great way to make a little bit of money just at the market. And that's if you got out, now. If you rode this peak up here, I mean, you're almost at $8. So that's $4 a share, which, another $100, which is just amazing. And next thing that I want to talk about too is on RADX. Now this one did not hit the orb, and And this is why we want to wait for the signals, because you see this one, I mean, opening up, it did what I thought it would do, how you would have a nice pullback into it. So you have your sellers coming in, and then your buyers are starting to take over, and then it puts in our ORB high right here at 1628, and then it never gets there after that. So, and this is also why you want to use your buy stop limits, because if you put it in like, oh yeah, I want to get in at 1603, you just lost $5 a share right now. I mean, because it never really recovers. It's just sitting here right below that VWAP. But that's the importance of making sure that you have a plan and you stick to the plan, and that you don't get excited, because there was a lot of trading going on within this first part of the day. And so, but by sticking to my trading plan, I was able to avoid this and not lose money in the stock market. So hopefully this information helps you guys today. Hopefully you guys all did well. If you didn't, sorry, it happens, but there's always another day to trade. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe below, or visit my website at greenhorizontrade.com. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.